In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the CC and BCC fields in Outlook when sending emails. These options help you include additional recipients while controlling who can see each email address. Open Outlook and click New Email to compose a new message. In the Compose window, you'll see the To field at the top. If the CC and BCC fields aren't visible, click CC or BCC on the right side of the To field, or select Options and enable BCC if you're using Classic Outlook. Enter the main recipient's email address in the To field. Add anyone who should receive a copy of the email in the CC field. Everyone included in the email will be able to see the addresses listed in the To and CC fields. If you want to send a copy without other recipients seeing those email addresses, enter them in the BCC field. Recipients in BCC remain hidden from everyone else, making it a great option for protecting privacy when emailing multiple people. After adding your recipients, enter the subject, write your message, and click Send. That's how to use CC and BCC in Outlook. Thanks for watching.